arrived at Agnes Water. We're about 5-6 hours north of Brisbane, about an hour north of Bundaberg. And we've got a nice weekend planned here. We intend on doing a couple of things around Agnes Water and 1770, including the Paperbark Trail, going and checking out some of the local food, finding out some places to stay. We're actually staying here at the Agnes Beach Holiday Resort Park, which is the caravan park that's right on the beach. And we're looking forward to a fun-filled weekend away. I hope you enjoy it, guys.
Agnes Water and 1770 are small coastal towns about 10 kilometres apart, situated in the Gladstone region, Queensland, and a close access point to the southern part of the Great Barrier Reef. It's known mostly for its amazing beaches, fishing and surfing, but it's also an access point for the beautiful Lady Musgrave Island, which I'll show more about later on today. Both towns are a great option for your laid-back beach holiday locations with an amazing amount of accommodation. This can be from camping to 5-star luxury. Today I'll be showing you around the place as well as some things to do in Agnes Waters and 1770. Before starting any exploration, don't forget to pop into the Tourist Information Centre and pick up any pamphlets and talk to the staff about what you want to do. On this occasion, we ended up booking accommodation right beside the beach at the Agnes Waters Beach Holiday Park. It's a caravan park that also offers cabins, safari tents and glamping options. We booked the beach house this time, which has an open plan studio accommodation with a balcony opening up to a grassed area right in front of the beach. It's very convenient for my early morning beach visits. This cost us about $130 for the night, and if you want to watch a tour around the caravan park and find out more, please click the link in the description below. When you're looking for places to eat, both 1770 and Agnes Water have plenty to choose from. But I hope you like seafood, then you've come to the right place. Other than that, you do have lots of other cafes, restaurants and grocery stores if you're planning to cook yourself. When looking for things to do, having the beach right there means there's ample water activities available from swimming, surfing, jet skiing and paddle boarding. The Agnes Waters beach faces the open ocean and tends to have more waves, whereas 7070 is a little bit more isolated and perfect for that low-key swimming with the kids. And this is where you'll find all the boats parked up, heading out for fishing for the day. Something that is on everyone's list when they visit is the LARC Tour. Now, what's a LARC, you say? It stands for a lighter amphibious resupply cargo boat, touring the area on land and water. They began operation back in 1994, leaving from the 1770 Marina office and quickly entering the water from there. There are a couple of options for tours, which depends on what's available at the time and the tides. We ended up choosing an hour tour departing in the afternoon, and it only cost us $40 per person. But there are full-day tours that cover a larger area too. The tour started out with driving into the shallow waters and looked out for fish and other sea life. Before too long, you're in and out of the water, driving over the sandbars. The guide will go into a lot of detail telling you about the Agnes Waters area. But if you want to find out more, click the link in the description below. Next, we have the Paperbark Trail, or the Paperbark Forest Boardwalk. It's located only a few kilometres south of Agnes Water, and the whole loop track is only 400 metres long. It says it's a grade 3 track due to the boardwalk, uneven ground and the bollards that you need to walk over, but I do think it's suitable for most people to walk on. It's a thick rainforest and I love how uniform the paperbark trees are. The bollards do make an interesting walk, and I hope you have your balance. I guess these are in place after high rainfall and stop you from getting your feet wet. Mostly it's just for your Instagram-worthy picture spot. It's a beautiful forest and a nice addition to any trip to Agnes Waters and 1770. If you want to check out my longer video on the Paperbark Forest Boardwalk, just click in the description below. The Red Rock Walking Trail is another popular walk and not too far away from the Paperbark Trail, although this one will take you a little longer to complete. You start out walking down from the car park and onto the first beach, and the rest of the trail is following the rugged, red, rocky coastline, and hence where it's got its name from. There is a bit of walking on the beach and then following the path up and down and over a couple of different headlands protecting the beaches. It's uneven ground and it is recommended for a good pair of walking shoes. But I don't like walking on the beach in shoes. I like to get the sand between my toes and water on my feet, so it's up to you. In the end, you have some amazing beachside views and an awesome day out and fun with the family. Now, Lady Musgrave Island was one of the main reasons we came to stay at Agnes Waters this trip. It's been a long time since I've been, so after a quick check-in, we were boarding the boat and heading on an hour-and-a-half boat ride out to the island. Don't forget to take your seasickness tablets on this one. It's open water and there can be some rough seas. On our day, we were lucky to get some calm water, but coming home was not as good. Your day at Lady Musgrave is split into two parts, snorkeling and then a land tour. Depending on your group, you can do either first. The snorkeling was really awesome, some amazing fish life, and we even ran into a couple of turtles. It's a stunning way to see the southern end of the Great Barrier Reef. The land tour is fairly short, and this is where reef shoes come in handy. This is where you'll see firsthand how the island is completely made out of coral. And also shows you the massive amount of birds living and breeding on the island. There are some other interesting things to see, like a turtle waiting for high tide, or this reef shark hunting in the shallow waters. At the end of the tour, you get picked up by the boat, and then there's a short glass bottom boat ride, which is a nice addition if you don't like getting in the water. Personally, I prefer to get in the water. In the end, this is just a few of the things that you could do at Agnes Water and 1770, but be sure that you're never going to run out of those endless beach views. Thanks a bunch for watching this far, and hit that like button if you've enjoyed it today. I have some more in-depth videos here on things to do in Agnes Water and 1770, so click the links here to check them out now.